Welcome back to my channel. This is CoinCode. I'm DMO. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Santos Fan Token before being listed on Binance for trading. And in addition, I'm going to show you how you can make over 10x your money on the day of trading. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video because every minute of this video carries an important information you won't afford to miss. On one of my previous videos, I talked about how you can buy Proto Fan Token before being listed on Binance for trading. And most people benefited from it and made over 10x their money from watching that video. And on this video, I'll be showing you how you can do the same on Santos Fan Token. But before I proceed, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. So now let's move. Few hours ago, we got an update from Binance that the native token of a Brazilian football team will be on the Binance Launchpool. And if you are a Binance user and you are not on their official Telegram community, I urge you to do so now by joining, and also join our Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with other people. Now, as you can see on the Binance Launchpool, you will see different coins and tokens. Most of these coins and tokens you are seeing here are already on the trading section. And as you can see, Santos Fan Token is the 26th coin to be on the Launchpool section. Now, before I show you how you can get this token before it goes to the innovation section for trading, you need to know that Santos Fan Token is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, which is designed to revolutionize the fan experience for all Santos Football Club supporters. And one thing you need to know is that Santos Fan Token empowers Santos Football Club fans to participate in team voting, pools, buy NFT and own digital collectibles. Now, with the update Binance gave us, Santos Fan Token holders can get once in a lifetime benefits by engaging with Santos Football Club on the Binance Fan Token platform. And holders of this token can meet and greet with a football player or legend on this club. Now, one interesting thing is the proof of loyalty badge that will be given to you by donating to the Santos Fan team. Now, moving to the key metrics of this project, Santos Fan Token has a total supply of 30 million Santos that is built on the BIP20 Binance network, and they will be giving out 1.5 million Santos on Binance Launchpool allocation. And if you can look closely, the Launchpool starts November 27, 2021. Now, moving to the roadmap of Santos Fan Token, there are a lot of things this project will be doing even to the future. From voting to NFT collection to gift card, and expand to 2022 for integrating the Santos Fan Token into the Santos Football Club ecosystem. You can also use the link below to know more about the project and join our Telegram community for more updates. And remember, I'm going to show you how you can make 10x your money when you partook on the Launchpool. So keep watching to the very end. Now, moving to how you can get this token before trading. Take a note that Binance will list this token into the innovation section on the first day of December. And from there, it will go straight for trading that same day around 11 a.m. UTC, which is 12 p.m. GMT +1. Now, as you can see, to get this token, you need to stake your BNB or your BUSD by putting your BNB on the BNB vote and staking your BUSD. And you'll be earning this Santos Fan Token for free for 30 days. Now, as you can see on the support pools, BNB stakers will get their reward from this 1.2 million Santos. And BUSD stakers will get their reward from the 300,000 Santos. So I suggest you go for BNB staking by putting it on the BNB vault. And as you can also see, staking starts from 26th of November and runs through 27th December 2021. Please note that this is a football fan token and it is not sold anywhere apart from being on Binance Launchpool before it goes to other exchange for trading. Before I show you how you can make over 10x your money on the day of trading, shout out to Henry White, Coach Gibson, Free Crypto and Peter Ifyun. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. Please note that I do a random shout out for all my subscribers. So make sure you are subscribed to get mentioned on my next video and to qualify for my giveaway that is coming soon. So now let's move. Remember, I drop a similar information on FC Proto Fan Token and you are going to apply the same principle on Santos Fan Token. And now Binance said they will be listing it on the innovation section for trading on the 1st of December around 11 a.m. UTC, which is 12 p.m. Nigerian time. Now, you need to be active before the very moment Binance released it for trading. And also, if you didn't get much on the Binance Launchpool, you can as well use the same principle I'm about to share with you to get 10x your money in just few minutes. Now, we're using Proto Fan Token as an example. You need to be active like 10 minutes to the time when it will be open for trading, because there will be a countdown for trading pairs. Now, as you can see, the very moment Binance lists FC Proto Fan Token for trading, it spiked up to $41. You understand? After spiking up to $41, it came down below its listing price. And you that have this token before it opens for trading, instead of you buying, you'll be selling off. You understand? And you should only sell off when you are in profit and when you have made up to 5 to 10x your money. And for people that did not have enough on the launch pool, the very moment Binance will list it for trading, your own is to buy, you understand? And after you have bought the very moment Binance listed, then you wait for it to spike up. And after going up to your desired profit, you sell off, you understand? Remember, you'll be very quick. And for you to do this, you just need to put this trading limit on the market price, you understand? Then buy and sell instantly. Now, as I said before on my previous video, don't ever be greedy. Sell off when you have gotten some certain amount of profit, you understand? And don't ever buy and hold newly launched coin because the price must always correct itself, you understand? As you can see, Santos Fan Token was listed $10, but it spiked up to $41 and came down to $4, you understand? So now if you want to buy for long term, this is the time to buy for long term, you understand? And make sure to get ready in 4 days time. And you can as well join my Telegram community to engage with other people, you understand, and get quick updates. You can as well join my Telegram community to engage with me properly and use the comment section for your compliments and questions, as this will be it for this video. See you on my next video.